Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm Skullbounce, and welcome to another episode of Super Mario Bros. U for Nintendo Wii U. Today we're doing one of my favorite worlds too, Rock Candy Minus. Today we will do to the Boom Boom, next episode to this little tower, in the next episode to my favorite Goblin Roy. Okay, so let's start. Fuzzy filled up. Oh, this is a block set from Super Mario World. We have to be on the middle one. Is this Super Mario World stage? Yeah, it is. Yoshi can eat fuzzies. Cool. What the fudge? Why did I do that? I don't know. But still, hey. We have so many tries. And that's even one of my favorite worlds. Yes, so let me. You better come back. I think I need you. Oh, the banana plant. Whoa, I kill. Double hit. Double kill. Cool. Okay, that was cool and amazing, but who the hell? Yeah. Okay. We made it. Let's make Yoshi breathe fire ice. Bye again, you son of a donkey monkey. Yoshi is so scared of piranha plants and they just know the fun. Okay, here it is. The most hard part of this level. We better get it with Yoshi. Can you hear me? Cause I'm really talking, like really talking, like with no voice. I'm just a little. I'm not loud, okay? Let's make Yoshi breathe fire. Okay. With no reasons that thing just get the. Let's hit all of the fuzzies. No fuzzies will survive Yoshi. We did it. Yeah, we get there. Yes, we get there. One up. You know, it's 7 in the morning. So I'm not really awake. But in the next episode, I'm gonna be. This is another reason why this is my second favorite world. And it looks awesome too. Better. Let's be like a cheap person. Oh, did you watch that Super Mario World episode? It was cool. This guy. You son of a donkey. Again. I'm gonna try to kill him everywhere he goes. You son of a donkey. Yeah, I saw that. I forget, we'll never get the fireball on my hand. We'll handle something guys. Like, bro. Can I go like this way? No, I can't. Are you? Can't stop doing that. I was hoping for something better, like ice soup or fire. Or okay, I'm out of here. Die. I kill you one time. You can be alive this time. Okay, that was close, but I'm sorry. Not if yeah. My voice right now is really feeling bad because it's 7 in the morning. And this castle have even secret exit. And I very like this castle, but I hate the dry beetle here and there and over here, over there, chicken. Here, over there. Only mushroom. I think it's this secret pipe. We're joking, yeah. I'm gonna try to get it. I knew that will happen, because that is a little crazy. Okay, we get no good power-ups. We use all of the power-ups. I'm not like Jesus. Oh my God. I'm not going in there. First one, I'm gonna do a piece of a chicken and with some luck. So, it's just a starting. It was just a starting. I have a fireball in my hand for hammer so damn the Iceland. Then I will do this tower again for the secret exit. And here's my boy Boom Boom. Sup, bro? And what you will turn to hell. You're turning to birdie. Oh, you son of a donkey. Oh, you son of a donkey. I suck on that. That was really fun on that. So, we're going it again, but for secret exit. The next episode, I will have to do a lot of things. Okay. God damn you are. Actually, you need mini power up. Oh, here in here, big two. I'm going to do that again. But now with a business suit. Bye.